Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something I recently purchased. It's a really great eyeliner and I really like it. It's called Mr. Right Now and it's like spelled like W-R-I-T-E. So this comes in all different kinds of colors, but I have this in, it's kind of like a dark purple color. So a little bit about the brand and the product. The brand is the Balm Cosmetics. The Balm Cosmetics by Mr. Right Now Eyeliner Crayon in Scott. It is 0.28 grams or 0.01 ounces. Get comfortable with going outside your comfort zone. The soft, retractable pencil blends along the lash line. It has long-lasting formula, which means you'll keep shining as long as you like, with a built-in sharpener, so you can always make a fine point, which is awesome, especially if you're like looking to do winged eyeliner and stuff like that. So I'll show you on here. This is Mr. Right Now eyeliner pencil in Scott, and then on the bottom here it says the Balm Cosmetics 0.28 grams, net weight 0.01 ounces. The Balm is distributed in San Francisco, California, 94115 USA. Their website is www.thebalm.com. The Balm Cosmetics Limited, 64 Sutton Park, Sutton, Dublin, Ireland, made in the USA. Warnings: for external use only. Discontinued use if signs of irritation or rash appear. Keep cool, and it comes with like the plastic little round container, so you know that it's like sealed and all that for protection when you get it. Now, take the top off. Really easy to take off, and you can see how sharp the point on here is, which is great. I'm just gonna write a little bit on here so you guys could see. Just writing it on my hand. It's like a really pretty, like mauve, dark purple. You guys can see it's really nice. It's got that like dark purple color. And like I said, it comes in a bunch of other colors as well. Really easy to use, very smooth, and I don't think it's water resistant, but it works as if it is. So I think this is definitely like a staple and something to definitely use every day and a must-have to have in your makeup bag for sure. It's really nice, and I like that it gives you like a nice precision point, so you could make that nice winged eyeliner, and you can line the lower part of your eyes as well as the top. And then of course it's just really easy to store because it's thin and it doesn't take up a lot of room, so it's real easy to put in your makeup bag. And then if you need to make it bigger, you could just twist up to pull it up, or you could twist down. So this has been around for a while too, this product, not too long, but Mr. Balm, I feel like I've been, because I've been like, you know, I've always been kind of into makeup and stuff, and I've been hearing the brand like mentioned quite a few times, and they have like the different cosmetics bags and all different kinds of eyeliners. They have a nude eyeliner crayon, a beige one, the Scott is the dark purple mauve that you have right here. We have Jack, which is like a light brown. Not this color in particular, but like there are other browns that are eyeliners you could use as an eyebrow pencil as well. And then of course they make different things too, like concealer and different makeup products like that. So I would definitely recommend it for the color, for the wearability, for how easy it is to use, and the color, like I said, is really pretty. It's just like a dark purple, and you want to add a little pop of color other than like your just typical dark, you know, black or brown eyeliner that you usually wear. This is definitely like a really nice change from that. So guys, this is Mr. Right Now eyeliner pencil in Scott. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, everyone.